So here we have a railway train that is traveling on a circular curve of radius 1500 meters with a speed of around 66 kilometers per hour. Now we have to find out through what angle has it turned in 10 seconds. So let's say we have here a circular curve. So the curve starts at point A and terminates at B. We have a train that travels from A to B with a rate of 66 kilometers per hour. Now the radius of this circular track, let's say this is the center of the circular path. So this radius is 1500 meters. Now in order to go from point A to point B, it takes around 10 seconds. Our goal will be to find out the angle which is subtended at the center. Fine. So let's solve the problem. So here we are going to use the formula. We know that the angle subtended at the center is given by arc length, the ratio of the arc length to that of the radius. Now clearly we are provided with the value of the radius of the circular track. We'll need to find out the arc length. Okay, so let's do that. Now here it's given that in going from point A to point B, the rate or the velocity, it's given as 66 kilometers per hour. So we'll try to convert this units from kilometers to meters and from hours to seconds. All we have to do is we know that in 1000 meters we have 1 kilometer. So we have 1000 meters divided by hour, and in an hour we have 60 minutes, and in each minute we have 60 seconds. So here we can factor out two zeros from the numerator and the denominator. 6 times 11 is 66. So we have 2 times 3 and 5. So we have 55 over 3 meters per second. So this is going to be the rate in meters per second. Now it's also mentioned here in going from point A to B, it takes around 10 seconds. So that means in 10 seconds, we can say that the distance traveled, which is nothing but the arc length actually. So the arc length will be simply 55 over 3 meters per second multiplied to 10 seconds. So we get 550 over 3 meters. So that's going to be the arc length. Now we can replace this into our formula for finding out the angle subtended at the center. So our arc length, that came out to be 550 over 3 divided by the radius. So our radius is 1500 meters. So we have 1 over 1500. So here you can cancel out the 0. We have 5 times 11, that's 55. Then we have 5 times 30, so that's 150. So we have 11 over 90 radians. So that means option B is the correct answer.